Hey guys, how y'all doing? Goddess Taya 4444. Welcome to my newcomers. Welcome to those who have returned. If you would like to join, click the like button below, and I will. And the like button is to show me how many people have joined this community. Goddess Taya's community. And I don't do personals. I don't take donations. My readings are timeless. I'm reading for the world, so take the parts that fit. If it resonates, take the parts that fit and leave the rest for someone else. Okay? My readings are all free. Whatever I need, I will get it from God. If God speaks to your heart to whatever, it's up to you. But I'm not looking for anything. I don't want any donations. I know things come through God, through people, so I'm not asking for any donations. What else? Is there anything else? I don't think there is anything else that I need to talk about with y'all. Okay. So, let's see. I'm getting something from Ocean of Wisdom deck. I'm going to get one card from here. Just give me one, Holy Spirit. Just give me one. Message from the ocean. Okay, it says Oceanic Whispers. Embrace your role as protector and guardian, standing strong against life's challenges. All right. So you are a protector and a guardian. Okay. So that does not mean that when somebody get into a fight or something, go protect them. How you are protecting them is praying for the individual. I like my spirit animal cards too. And so, this reading, the ancestors and angels will be speaking. And I'm going to be using my Angel Weather Oracle deck that is going to coincide with that is going to go with, that is going to go with the angels and ancestors reading. Okay? It's going to go with that. Alrighty. Let's see. I have 3 spirit, I have 3 spirit animal cards out here. 3 of them came out. 1, the hawk. The puma. So if you see these animals, this reading is for you. Turtle. So if you see these animals, then these animals are for you. The hawk. This lighting in here is so bad. So bad. Okay. The hawk says, gain perspective and observe from above. Gain your perspective and observe from above. Pay attention to the divine, what they're saying. Or you can look up in the sky, the clouds take on animal shapes and whatever. You might see a hawk. However this resonates with you all. Pay attention to the ocean. Embrace the ocean. Embrace what you hear, the whispers that they're giving you. The ocean is giving you information. Yeah. Okay. Puma says, be strong and agile, react promptly. However this resonates with you, do so. Turtle says, advance steadily, even if slowly. Take your time. Don't rush nothing. You know, everything happens in divine timing. Okay, let's see what the angels and ancestors want to say. You all will see me with my ponytail sometimes, and other times you won't. I'm training myself. This is how thin my hair is. I'm training myself, how to wear the ponytail being secured, and all, because I'm not used to wearing a ponytail. And I'm not used to wearing a wig. Now that it's hot, I really don't want to wear a wig. I really don't, because it's hot and my head be sweating like I don't know what. So I like ponytails. I really like my ponytails. I really like how full the ponytails are and everything. So yeah, I'm training myself how to wear the ponytail. Training myself how to style my hair and all that. So, you know, you might see me with it on the 1 minute, and the next minute is gonna be off my head. And another thing, I have to learn how to put the bobby pins in my hair so that they won't hurt. And I have to, you know, I don't like anything really, I don't like my ponytail really tight. This ponytail right here, I don't like the base being real tight because it gives me a headache. So I gotta learn how to do that. So what I'm getting here is Peacekeeper. So you all are protectors and y'all keep the peace. Let go of the need to be right. Okay, let go of the need to be right all the time. Okay, so somebody in my collective feels like they should always be right, that they're always right. No, you're not. You're not always right. You're wrong sometimes. You know? Everybody is not perfect. Okay, let's see what these cards want to say. I'm trying to get the cards out that don't belong in here. I don't have a pause button in that video on my iPad, so bear with me, y'all. I'm just trying to get these cards that don't belong in here, out of this deck. I like this one. So, I got them. I got them out. I done got sleepy. Gosh. In the rain, you get sleepy. Okay. Now, what do I need to know about this group needing control? They need to take things slow. One more shuffle. Okay, talk to me, Holy Spirit. What do they need to know? taking action. Let me see. Okay, this person wants to take action. Okay, out in the cold. And maybe someone put someone out in the cold. Maybe someone turned their back on someone that is out in the cold. Somebody might have a child. I don't have anything to say about that because I don't know what this person with the child has done to this Knight of Wands. I don't know what they have done. They may have took some money. I have the Knight of Pentacles up here. Both of you turned your back on this person. This is karma that is being returned. Okay, you have the Knight of Wands, Four of Wands, where in the hell is the damn card at? Why they keep flying out of my damn hand? Okay. You have the Four of Wands. Five of Pentacles. Eight of Wands. Knight of Pentacles. Ace of Cups. Wheel of Fortune reverse. Somebody getting some payback. Somebody is getting karma. Both these guys have the Knight of Wands and the Knight of Pentacles have their back turned to someone who possibly has a child. Oh no. Well, whoa. Okay. They may have a child. This may be a woman, the child may be crippled. But they are out in the cold. The child may have some kind of illness. These two people turned their back on her. There may be a good reason why. Okay. Two of Swords. Damn. Lovers. Justice. Could be married. Yup. Could be married. Probably going to court for a divorce. So, what did this person do? And who is this person? Let me see. Oh, these are the animal cards. Let me see. So, I want to know. I don't even know what I'm going to name it yet. But somebody is getting karma. Somebody is getting karma. I don't know who it is. Somebody's getting karma, though. Holy Spirit, tell me about this Knight of Wands. This Knight of Wands is not giving an offer. Not doing anything for her. This Knight of Pentacles is not giving her an offer. Tell me about this Knight of Wands. Tell me about this Knight of Wands. This Knight of Wands may have put her out the house. Her and her child. Because this is how it's laid out. He's ignoring her. He has his back turned to her. He may have put her out. And you have the Four Wands reversed. So what I just got is that he thought this was his lifetime partner. He thought that this was his true love. He thought that this is what God ordained for him and this person. He thought that God ordained this marriage for them. He thought God ordained the marriage. But God didn't. Anything else about this Knight of Wands? And whatever this person did, yep. This person, this divine person, know who their twin is. They have been awakened to their twin. They have been awakened to their twin. They know who their twin is. Yeah, they know who their twin is. This Knight of Wands. Tell me about this Queen of... tell me about this Knight of Pentacles. This Knight of Pentacles is this person's lover. That is a karmic. It's this person's lover that they was in a partnership with. This is their karmic. Their karmic was enjoying themselves off of someone in my collective. They had the leisure time. You was giving them the strength. It might be a Leo. I don't know. It could be any sign. And they don't want you to go to your real person. They feel like they want to get justice on you. Because you're married. But this Queen of Pentacles, your karmic, is going to be out in the cold with that child. Karma is coming back to your person. Tell me, why is the Wheel of Fortune reversed? Because they done sat back and schemed. They had a whole lot of ideas of what they was going to do, how they was going to do it and everything. But this time it didn't work out that way. They were sitting back looking at the options. Well, I could get this from them and I could get that from them and so and so and so and so and so. But it didn't work out like that. No, it didn't work out like that. Anything else on this Wheel of Fortune, they just cursed their goddamn self, dumbass motherfuckers. But they still trying to hold on to you, though. They still trying to hold on to you. Let me see what my weather cards have to say about this connection that you're in. But you have a twin, your real twin. You have your real twin. You are going to get your real twin. You may know your real twin. But your karmic is going to be out in the cold. You are divorcing your karmic. She thinks that she's going to get it all from you. Well, let's see what the weather cards say. Let's see what the weather cards say. She's doing work on you. Witches at work. That's what the cards say, witches at work. And so she had other people doing work on you. Different areas. Let me see. tell me more about this. Not safe. Damn. Okay. This is what I'm saying. They purposely went from city to city by going to witches in different areas to do work on you. For them witches, it's not safe where they are. They're not safe. I'm hearing they're going to be stampeded by crowds. Because multiple tornadoes is coming back to back for them. In the neighborhood. There's not going to be no peace in that city for those witches. There's not going to be no peace in that city for them. Oh my God, this is 32 minutes already. I am so sleepy. Wow, they're going to lose everything. They are losing everything. They done lost their gifts. They done lost the respect from people. They may have gotten kicked out of their country. I'm getting ready to close this out. I'll get a few more from here and see what I get. Watch, as soon as I get off, I'm gonna wake wide up. I'm gonna be wide awake. Anything else from this deck that I need to tell my collector? 1, 2, 3. Well, I'm gonna call it the night. I'm gonna end it right there, and you all have a blessed rest of the day, and have sweet dreams, okay, y'all? Dream about your baby. Dream about him. I order y'all to dream about your baby. Dream about him. But anyway, have sweet dreams, y'all, and oh, Lord. I'll get back to you all with another reading later. Later. See, when I get that ringing in my ears, Divine is saying something, so, you know, I got to get with the cards when they holler at me. You know, that's what I got to do. And then it might be y'all. Look, don't rush me. Don't rush me. Oh, God. Yeah. Y'all gonna give me a break? Y'all gonna let me rest up a bit? Y'all gonna do... I heard somebody say, I'll think about it. Okay. All right. Get out of here. He'll think about it. Give me a break. Boy. I ain't had no too many breaks. I don't have no breaks. People don't be leaving me alone. It's like, don't nobody bug me. Child, I need me a vacation. I need me a vacation. I'ma get it. I'ma get that vacation. I don't know where I'm gonna go, but I'm gonna go somewhere. I need me some me time, some fun time. Have a good time, good time. Okay, I'll see y'all later. Bye.